Okay, we're going to run through how to make this smart task manager. First thing you're going to do is go to column A1 through F1, and you're just going to populate the headers to task, owner, due date, priority, status, and notes. Go ahead and make those bold. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to due date. We're going to take a look here, and we're going to format these as date. Then we'll go down to priority or over to priority, and then we'll create a rule real quick, data validation, and we're going to add a rule. And we're just going to do a drop down. And the first one is going to be high, medium, and low. And we're going to go ahead and hit done. The next thing we're going to go over to is status. Same thing. We'll add a quick rule. We also want it to be a drop down. And this time the statuses we want are not started, in progress, and then the last one will be done. So that's adding the rule. And now we're going to go ahead and format this rule a little bit. Format this column. So we'll go to format. We'll go to conditional formatting, and we'll select here. We're going to color code them based on what the text is in there. So text is exactly, and we'll do not started. We'll make that a grayish color. That's the first rule, and then we're going to add that 2 more times. The same process, text is exactly, and this is for in progress. We can make that a yellow, and then we'll add it 1 more, and then text is exactly, and then this is be for done. We'll just leave it to default green. And now and we'll get rid of this. So over here to the right, we'll go ahead and add a little status update bar or percentage. So we'll go ahead here. We'll copy in the formula right there. Make that black. We'll see it's given an error, but that's okay because as soon as we add one in, it'll start processing the data. So you see here 33%. We can go ahead and format it as a percent for you. That's pretty good. And now here, we can go ahead and add a quick task. Say, prep weekly report. This will be owned by John, and we'll say the due date is 12/1/2025. Set it as a medium priority, and then it's not started yet. But we're also going to show you how to do it very simply through using Perplexity. So right here, I have a prompt ready to go. Create a list of tasks for small business owners for the week ahead. Basically, and I let them know the kind of the rules I want to see and how I want to see them, and then they'll create them for you. We'll go ahead and just highlight a couple. My mouse would like to work. There we go. We go back here, and you can just go ahead and paste them back in. You can put them as done, and in progress. You see that it shows that 25% is done, and that's pretty much it. If you want this exact smart task manager as a template, just comment tasks, and I'll send it to you right away.